This is the S10. It's a really attractive sports fitness watch, metal band or leather if you like. Really good build quality. It has a pedometer function in it that gives you your step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. You also have heart health, where you can take your pulse reading or look at last night's sleep time information. You can get your messages pushed to you from your phone, as well as a variety of exercises you can go into and track heart rate, step count, and time, including such things as walking and running, climbing and cycling, and then all these other different sports flashing on your screen right now. You also have a variety of dials in here. This attractive one here that's multicolored, a really nice digital one, sort of looks like the Apple Watch, the one we just saw at the beginning, and an analog watch as well. All those are available. You've also got a compass built in here, which requires calibration, and even calibrated, I've had some difficulty getting it to register correctly, but it's built into the watch. You have a stopwatch that will measure your time down to tenths of a second, and a variety of settings like finding your phone, setting that whole feature up if you want to, vibration on and off, resetting the watch, or getting the basic information from it. It's all here, and it's called the S10. Check it out.